Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you guys here in New Jersey Crowne Plaza. This is the hotel and magbe-breakfast tayo ngayon, guys. Tara, let's go and I will share with you. Hope you enjoy my vlog for today. Let's go. Anyway, this is now the Crowne Plaza. Crowne Plaza, New Jersey, and ito yung papunta doon. Yun yung naman yung admitting area. Ito. Yan. Breakfast. May bar din sila pero wala pa silang. Ang ganda naman. Siyempre, ito yung mga table. At dito tayo kakain. And here you goes. May mga breads for breakfast. It's only $17. Okay, there you are. Looks decent, guys. And wow, looks good. Oh, oatmeal, bacon and sausage. And ano yun, pancake, egg, scrambled egg, and potatoes, fruits. Yun na yung breakfast nila. And ayan na. At ako'y kukuha na rin. Walang porridge.
A few moments later.
Papakita ko tong hotel ngayon. At ito yung papunta sa swimming pool. Crowne Plaza Hotel. Malawak to. Pero ayoko pumasok kung saan. Okay, and pasok tayo dito. May chicks. Ito na yung pool nila. Ano mga laruan ng mga bata. Ito na yung swimming pool, guys. At dun sa taas, yun naman yung gym. Gym nila. Ito na yung pool. Tingnan natin sa taas. Papakita ko yung pool. Ito yung fitness center ng gym. Kailangan mo din yung card para makapasok to access. Yun lang. Maliit lang. Treadmill 1, 2, 3 at saka yun lang yung meron. Tapos body weight. Dito naman sa baba. Okay. Kita nyo? Ito yung poolside swimming, guys. And later, share ko din kung ano yung itsura dun sa lobby at saka sa room. Okay? Ito pala yung room namin. Ayan. Ito yung toilet. Masyadong makalat, guys. There you are. Thank you.